I think it's time to take some profits off the table. This is gold. It was 5,500. There's a wedge forming right here. A nice wedge. It's either going to go down or up. We'll tell in an hour or two. But there's a wedge. This is a 4-hour chart. But if you go out a little bit, a daily chart, you could tell with the MACD, it went up a little bit here, the gold, but it's starting to go down. And if you take the weekly chart, it's parabolic almost. Still keeps going up, but I don't think it has any more steam unless the currency blows up or something. I don't see it going up much higher. I think this is it. So it went really fast up, and it's going to go really fast down too. Maybe we'll go down and up, double top, or just a nice triangle. 2,000, maybe. Let me see, zoom out a little bit more, maybe take a monthly. It's very possible that if people panic, even lower. I think 2,000. 3,000 is around here. You know what? If you go straight up here, maybe even 3,000. But it's not going to stay this high. And if you look at all these gold stocks, they're way at the top, and it's already the peak here. I think it's time to sell. It's pretty much going down. It's going to create a nice big triangle. It's going to take, probably go down here. Actually, you're looking at next year, past summer. That's when it's going to be the lowest, probably. If you mirror image that one, that was June, and now we got February. Yeah, so it'll be summertime when everything's the lowest. Yeah, crazy. I think it's time to sell. There's an inverse one here. Let me see. Dust. That one got really killed. That one's really dangerous. But in 2022, we had gold that went kind of down a little bit in all the stocks, gold stocks, miners. $100 went up to 300, so threefold. But nothing like, let's do the symbol, nothing like what we had right now that was going up. NUGT, that's the one here I'm looking for. There we go. It went from around 40 to 320 or so. You go weekly. Again, once both sides get beat up, these stocks are horrible, horrible. Especially if things go down, it'll go from like 300 down to not even 40. You will get killed to like 2. Once, even a big swing on one side, 30, or this is 2 times. So even at 30% and 40, if it goes back and forth, it will go lower and lower on both sides. NUGT and the other one, the dust. If you get big swings, both of them get killed. So you don't want to keep them when it's very volatile, only for a day or two. Or if it keeps on going straight like this, nicely up, that's fine. But once, what I notice is when is it very at the bottom or very at the top, with any stocks, they go crazy wild. Let me say silver. The silver got killed first. It was 120, went down all the way to 64. But if you want to see something like the dust for silver, it would be, let me see here. That's the reverse of silver. Again, that got crushed. But if you look at the very top, these little things here, you go, oh my goodness, it's so small. It's huge because you're looking at $1.50 to $3. That's 50%. So yeah, that's 50% going up. So the other one probably went down. It will be AG. Let me see. EGQ. We'll see that one. See how it goes up? It's kind of straight at $25 or so. Then goes up to 40. And it just keeps on going up because the silver keeps on going up. So it goes up from 40 to 400 tenfold. But when you saw that drop of in one day 50%, look how big that thing is. From 400 to 124. Because if silver went down from 120, so that's like probably 30%. Is it 30%? This is triple or double? AGQ. Let me see. Double. So if it went 30%, this went 60% or more. I think it went more from 120 to 64, was it, or something like that? Well, it went way more. So from 430 to 129. So it's really nice to take your profits as it goes up. Never wait that long, because once things start going down, they go down really fast, especially with these ones. Imagine that from 400 over 400 to about 130, 120 actually less. And the swings here, they're big. They're not small. It's like let's see, 125, 200 almost, and 120, 250. So if they swing back and forth, both sides will get killed. You don't want to keep them. Now I don't know what's going to happen. I think it's going to still keep going down, and if let's here, 43, this probably will go down to 10. When silver starts going down slowly every day, this will go down to probably 10. Right now it's 134. It will keep on going down. So if someone got this one, got profits along the way, that's great. Now, I don't know. I wouldn't touch it anymore. Too many swings, and it's probably down. The only thing that gold is kind of keeping steady. Where's dust? Dust. That one might be still okay. It went crazy down, but like you see here, that's 300%. But if these stocks go down, it won't be 300. It'll be probably 500-600, because they're super high up, all of them. They just began to come down a little bit. But if you look at all these gold stocks, all those gold miners, they're crazy high up. Look at this one from around, let's say 15, 60, 400. Most of them 400% or more out. And if you're looking at even here, that's $3, $2, and they're 60. So I don't think it's cyclical. So let's do a week and let's go through all of them. If you compare them, that's silver. I think silver, yeah, that's still high up from 37, 5. So I think maybe dust, I wouldn't put a big amount in it, just a little bit, when it hits maybe here. Yeah, that one here. That one's scary, but once it goes up, it'll go up quite a bit, but you don't know when exactly. But everything's high right now. 145. Yeah. Let's go to weekly or monthly even for that one. Let's see. They started out at 19, 360. Now it's going down a little. So I think it's time to take profits. I wouldn't wait. You go on the internet and all those gurus say, "Oh, it's going to go to 10,000 gold," and that's a lot of it is psychology. So right now it's 5,000. This is gold. That's 5.5. Let's see what it's doing now. Let's take the 15-minute. It's creating a wedge. Is it 10? 4 hours. Nice wedge right here. So once that's complete, it'll break up or start going down and creating a nice triangle. If you move it down, it's pretty steady here. Like a little step. I think it will hit 4,000. I think it'll just dip to top here. 4,000, bounce up a little bit, then around 3.5, and after that 2,700. I think that's where it should be. So that will be, if you mirror that one, it should be around here. That's start of summer. That's where it's going to be lowest. That's what I think. Those are mostly silver, I think, those ones. But look, 33 now it's 22. It's a big difference. Again, I think it's right there. Look at that nice jump right there. That was August. So it's almost half. The winter's over, so it'll be right here. Yeah, another half a year, or August will be right here. So half a year up, half a year down, right here. That's what I think anyways. I have gold. Well, that one's super high up still. If you take it, they started out around, what is that, $2.30? 20 cents? That's tenfold. A lot of them are tenfold actually. What about that one? Let's zoom up a little, zoom out a little. It was about 4. Hit 50. That's going down. So yeah, maybe take a little bit of this one. But if you have any of these gold, silver, gold and miners, get rid of them. That's what I think. Or just take some profits anyways, because it was 94, that one. Yeah, like fourfold. Silver, it looks like it's creating a nice thin, not even a pyramid, like a skyscraper. Yeah, I think so. It might go up a little bit, but I think it will just create a pyramid right there. Oh, so the silver will actually hit bottom first before gold. That's what I think. Before summer. It's because it's so thin and went way more higher than gold. Because it was around $30 and went to 120. That's 400% within April and February. So 8 months. So if you go February, 8 months, yeah, summertime. Same with gold. Probably go here. Yeah, right there, August. And it'll create its, and that'll finish it for a while. Maybe go up and down a little bit.